December 9th, and Ariana wants to feed Amelia. Hold on, let's get this out the way. Leave it in her mouth, Mommy. Thank you. Be nice. Leave it in her mouth, Ariana. She's hungry.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, put it in her mouth. Go ahead. Oh, you're shaking it? Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. She's not all done, Mama. She's hungry still. She's hungry. Go ahead. Oh my goodness. Poor Amelia. Honey, I'm sorry. Okay, but leave it in her mouth. Leave it in her mouth. She's hungry. Leave it in her mouth. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy. Leave it there. Let her eat. Oh my gosh, she's feeding her cheek. There you go. And Amelia wants to laugh. I know, Amelia, I know. Okay, go ahead. Look over there, Amelia. Look at your sister. Look at your sister. Okay. I don't think she wants any more. She's like, forget this. Kept taking it out of my mouth.
Yeah.
You're not going to psych me out. Okay. I think she's all done. She's all done. She's all done, Mommy. I don't think she wants any more. All done. Thank you. All done. I'll take it. I'll take it.
No.
No, she's all done. She doesn't want any more. Ariana has to eat now. She's all done. She doesn't want no more. What's that, Ariana?
Milk.
Milk. See, milk. Leche. Leche. Okay. She's all done. All done. Doesn't want no more. Amelia's smiling. She's smiling. Be nice. No, Ariana. No, nice. Nice. Okay. She's all done. Okay, all done. All done. All done.